welcome.
Ano yan? Ah, lacerator ba yan?
Oh, Lancer.
Ah, basic.
Yeah, basic.
Why do you have so many suppressors? Do you craft that?
Oh, no. Sa mga napapatay ko. Suppressors are only good for 2 things. Shotguns, burst rifles, and DMRs.
Tsaka hammer.
That's hammer, yeah. Yung mga AR, muzzle ka na lang. So what's the point if you're ano?
Saka talaga yung packing mo. Talagang lagi dito yung start.
Huh? This is the start. Because you don't know what's that. This is the start because what's that? When you get up from here, you will hear everything, and when you're leaving, you're most likely never gonna be here. No, white bear.
Jeff.
Jeff. Sige, takbo na. So when you're leaving, you won't have time to mine this. Simple ka na.
Stop, Jeff.
Wala. One over there.
Isn't this like really... Someone is leaving? Parking lot.
Yeah, dito. Come on. Pinatay ko lang yung ano, dati.
Does having a silencer help you get past Jeff? Yung aggro, wala may baril ng kadal nasa harapan mo.
No, but...
As in Jeff,
ay.
he was...
Ay, may nagbukas ng...
That was me.
Ito na, babalik na.
Pina-check ko lagi yun kasi I get blue shit there.
Ito na ba, ikaw yung nag-ano?
Yeah.
Okay. Bilis ng Lancer, no? Ayun na, sa'yo na. Blue stems. Nade.
There's cables here on top.
Oh, yeah, kunin ko na.
Sa taas ah.
Great, thank you.
You need optic glass. Oh, there's cable in here.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
Kailangan ko ng smart mesh. So, sa map 2 yan. Mahanap.
Doon pinakamarami, di ba?
Oo, mag-rat lang tayo.
Oh, we're gonna rat on map 2?
Kung gusto mo. Mag-shotgun or AR lang tayo. Or SMG.
I guess I'll do AR na lang. Nahirapan pa kasi SMG.
Tapos ka na sa ano? Sa...
Marauder quest? Yeah, sir.
Okay, ang bilis naman.
Hindi, sabog lang kasi talaga tayo kahapon. Ikaw kakagising mo lang.
Oo. Okay na.
Even a trusted 6? The fuck?
Ba? Tinan mo, isang round lang.
Oh, what's your problem with me, Jeff?
Ikaw yung nag-jump?
Yeah.
Nice, good. Yeah, so if you want to know, it's the second tree. It's always the second tree.
Second tree.
Second tree is ano yung puno dito? Blue tree. If you want to know where the jump is, always.
Okay. Ako, nare-recognize ko lang from the map. How the map looks like. Should I shoot ba? Wag na.
No. Sabi yung HP ang bilis ng bawas no? You know. Guess how many rounds I used? 5 max yun. So 100. Oh, 100 rounds lang yun. Saan yung Jeff? Pwede tayo. Ay dito.
Marauder Flesh and Hardened Bone Plate.
Perp na lang ng plate. Bus na ako eh. I used it for a mission. Ayan. Thank you. May armory ka? Key ka?
Wala akong armory key. Naubusan na ako ng key doon. Isang beses na ako naka-RNG nun. Hindi ko alam saan nakuha.
I'll drop you. Kasi ano yung safe packet mo?
Safe packet ko ngayon? Auto-loader.
Ano safe packet mo?
10 pa rin.
10 pa rin? Kasi 200k yung ano eh. Yung next upgrade eh.
Wala. Not that I...
But you need it. I need it as well. We need it. But yeah.
No. It's not like I can get like 200k ganun.
Gonna drop you keys later. If you want. Para ma-run mo naman. Kasi di ko naman ginagamit.
Yung armory key?
Oo. Light converter blue. What's that? Purple light converter.
Purple light converter?
Oo. Para sa hammer na yun.
May nakuha ka?
Oo.
Okay.
Ano yun? Tao.
There's two of them?
Yeah, two.
Where are we going?
Yeah, susugurin ko na.
Okay. Still on Jeff. Hinahabol sila ni Jeff. One's dead.
One's dead?
Almost.
Ikot.
Grenading somewhere.
Ikaw yun?
Yeah, parang nahulog.
Stop moving, complete. Lapit nila.
There's a guy on Southeast 150 sa may comms tower.
Yeah, don't ADS. Nag-ADS din siya sa gilid. Yan no, nag-ADS siya. Narinig mo?
Dalawa, sila sa comms tower. Oh, fuck.
One more.
I threw a grenade there.
What's that? Back up. Dito tayo.
Nagbo-bolt yun nasa comms tower.
Yeah, ikot tayo. Dito. Pressure sila. Dalawa sila, patay na. Nag-smoke. Tumatakbo na ata. Ikaw yung nagtapon?
Hindi, wala akong tinapon. Hinatay na. Ano bunga?
Let them. Pinuha yung ano, blue bag. Tangina. Kunin mo yung bag. Okay na tayo.
Switching.
There. Oh shit. Yan na, precise gunplay. Yan na. Yan o. Watch. Second floor. Uy, ito na. Bolty. Ingat. Go east. Into the light. Bayaan mo na sila. Tatlo sila eh. Can you carry anything?
Not right now. What I need to I can throw beds para ano. Mga space. Sabi kong white.
Follow me. Go. Huwag yan dyan. Inside lang. Follow me na. Meron pa isang phasic ah.
Right side.
Oo. Ayan, inaano mo na MMR ko. Ito. Drop your armor.
Nakuha ko na.
Drop your armor. Wear it. Ano yung armor mo? Ang ganda ng ano.
Tapos yun yung din wrap ko.
Yeah, no. Kasi... Sige, in.
Faulty on the left.
I know. Follow me.
Wait, I'm healing. Natamaan ako
Natamaan ka?
ng rat na. Did you go out?
Oo.
Okay, I'm landing on the top of it.
It's scrap ano lang to. Ani. Okay. Good. Okay. Crystal, isa. Mine. Okay. Drop down tayo ulit. Drop tayo.
Oh, that was me.
Gago. Kala ko maano
Hindi ko
tayo.
lang nakatagal na yung
Yeah, okay lang. Pero yung sound cue na yan, makikita ng tao yan. From far away.
double alt ko. Dapat, kasi na alt ko.
Oo.
So, I was supposed to close it. Pagka pindot ko ulit ng alt, nag-ano?
Ito. Fast lang. Meron ka nakuha doon sa ano, bag ng kalaban?
Meds lang. Puro meds lang.
Wala siyang baril. Hindi kinuha yung baril. Well.
Kinuha niya yung baril.
Ah.
Yun lang yung iniwan. Yun yung kinuha niya. Iniwan
niya?
niya the rest.
Bobo niya.
Dapat yung baril yung
Yung
iniwan
armor.
na.
Yung armor
Ah.
iniwan. Baril mo yung ano? Wait lang. Tara. Pass lang tayo. Mine mo na. Okay, good.
Yeah. I have 60 more. Tama ba? 60.
Back! Takbo! Nades! Thank you.
Nasa right side siya, southwest 240.
Let the Jeff switch aggro. Bobo niya. Okay.
Still there. Nabal siya dyan.
Push natin. Can you push first? Kasi ano lang ako. Takbo tayo. Shit.
Dead.
Okay. Stem.
I think you killed him. May tumalsik ng gamit eh. Hindi ko sure.
Yeah, stem lang.
Dala.
Hindi ko pinatay.
Plan. I have to stem. There's 2 more.
Okay. Back up.
Akin yan. That's my gas. Yun din.
Ano na? Take the tree. Different ano? Welcome to the jungle, ah.
Napatay mo ngayon nasa taas.
Dead. One dead. Rush ka na yung isa.
Yeah. Last guy, body. Blue. I'm healing ah.
No, I'm dead.
Apat sila?
Apat.
What the fuck? Ano yung teaming?
Puro Chinese. Puro Chinese. Oh, apat. Saklap.